The Gilson Rolling Thin Film Oven features advanced design, durable construction, and repeatable accuracy in measuring the effects of heat on asphalt binder specimens in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. All Gilson RFTO ovens are completely checked and tested before shipment. Follow general installation instructions before beginning a test. If the unit will not turn on, verify that the system is connected to a working power source. Now check to confirm that the RFTO is turned on and that the amber light is also on. If not, then verify that the unit's system circuit breaker is not tripped. To check the circuit breaker, you need to remove the side panel. Verify that the RTFO is disconnected from its power source before removing the side panel. Now we have access to the internal components of the unit. Check to see that the system circuit breaker has been tripped. If so, switch the breaker to the on position. If the unit still will not power on, or for any technical question about any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.